Hello and welcome. I'm George Guastello, President and CEO of Union Station, joining you today for a very special announcement. As you likely know, 23 has been another historic year for the visual voice of Kansas City. From hosting our second Super Bowl championship parade and having over 54 million people watching your Union Station around the world as we witness the NFL draft right here in Kansas City's front porch. We've risen to new occasions and made you proud and made our city even better. And we've also been the premier city for the current Spider-Man Beyond Amazing exhibition that will be closing in the next few weeks while we get ready to open up a new multi-million-dollar exhibition in Science City, Riveting Robots, brought to you by Burns & McDonnell and their Battle of the Brains competition. And that's just scratching the surface. Across all our attractions, we're setting record numbers and realizing our fullest potential, including the magnificent Barbie. And that just makes today's announcement even more exciting. It's my pleasure to share with you our next world-class touring exhibition that will be coming on October the 28th in our Bank of America Gallery. It is being presented by our new partner, Twin Lakes Insurance, located in eastern Jackson County, right here in Lee Summit, Missouri. Our good friend Dan Tarwater and Tyler Smith from Twin Lakes are here with us today to share with you this exciting news. My good friend, Dan Tarwater.
Thank you, George. Union Station's next exciting exhibit comes to us all the way from Australia, with Kansas City being one of its first stops on the North American tour. It is titled Bricktionary, the ultimate Lego A to Z, featuring over 150 custom-built Lego models, plus tons of hands-on experience. This is a brand new exhibit, clicked to life by the creativity and talent of Ryan Brickman McNaught, star of Lego Masters Australia, and inspired by nothing more than simple letters and boundless imagination.
Thanks, guys. We're thrilled to have you as our new presenting sponsor. And as you know, Legos offers the ageless allure that anything is possible by anyone when you're creating with these tiny little bricks. In fact, if you can dream it, you can build it, and you can create it.
Click together whatever inspires you, because Bricktionary encourages amateur and expert builders alike to get involved through the interactive building zones.
Build a Lego brick model to survive an earthquake and test it against the Bricktionary earthquake machine. You can also make your creations work for you by designing a Lego brick robot. Create a tail-wagging canine companion, a room-cleaning wizard, a deep-sea diving explorer, or whatever your imagination dreams up. George?
Wow, this is going to be a fun-filled journey for families and ages of all likes. Bricktionary is the ultimate Lego A to Z, remember that, right here at Union Station that opens on October the 28th. And tickets are available now online at unionstation.org. But before you go and buy your ticket, let's listen to the man, the Brickman himself, all the way from Australia. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Ryan Brickman. Ryan?
Hello, my name's Ryan McNaught, although everybody knows me as the Brickman. I'm what's called a Lego certified professional, one of only 21 in the world, and I'm the only one based in the Southern Hemisphere. It's my job, along with the Brickman team, to make incredible Lego models, which we turn into exhibitions that travel around the world. Bricktionary, the ultimate Lego A to Z, has over 100 incredible Lego models in it. Not only that, it's full of all sorts of awesome interactive experiences for you to test out your Lego skills, and hopefully not stealing my job one day. Whilst we're based in Melbourne, Australia, I cannot wait to bring our Bricktionary, the ultimate Lego A to Z, all the way to you in Kansas City at the amazing Union Station this October. See you then.
Thanks, mate. And thanks to you, Ryan. And thanks to all of you that have been watching this special announcement. We can't wait to welcome you back to Union Station for this exceptionally exciting, epic exhibition of creativity and fun right here in the heart of Kansas City. Remember, Brictionary opens right here on October the 28th. Tickets will go fast, so lock in yours today by going to unionstation.org. And we look forward to seeing you soon at the grand opening of Brictionary, the ultimate Lego A to Z experience.